Today's tutorial will be about basic knowledge of carboxylic acid derivatives. So this is the general structure of a carboxylic acid. We have the carboxylic acid functionality here and some substituent, carbon-centered substituent here on that side. So important derivatives are, for instance, the esters. We can easily synthesize them by combining an alcohol with an acid and eliminating one equivalent of water. Those esters are important as, for instance, solvents. Acetic acid, ethyl ester, is one of our most important organic solvents, and some of these esters are flagrances. So then we have the acid chlorides. They are especially useful if we need a stronger electrophilic center for a reaction at the carbonyl group. And then we have, of course, those amides. This is a very common functional group in various natural products. A special acid is, as we know, carbonic acid. It's the addition product of water to carbon dioxide. Let's have a look at the typical derivatives of carbonic acid. Here we have a carbonic acid ester as polymers. Those are very useful. You've certainly heard about the expression polycarbonates. Then here is the double acid chloride, phosgene, and phosgene is very important in industrial chemistry for various syntheses, for instance for the synthesis of isocyanates. We will have a look later to that. On the other hand, it's highly toxic, and you might know it has been misused as a combat gas in World War I. And then we have the double amide. This is called urea. So, derivatives of carbon dioxide. The monoimine, this is isocyanate. These are the isocyanates, and they are used, for instance, for the production of polymers, the polyurethanes. And here we have the double imine of CO2. Those are so-called diamides, and they are used, for instance, for producing carboxylic acid amides by the direct combination of a carboxylic acid and an amine, while if those get together, they are simply forming salts, but in the presence of the diamides, they can eliminate water. The water will react with this diamide, and what is the result of that reaction? Well, an urea derivative will be formed. Thanks for listening.